Sorry that last video didn't have any noise. I don't know what was wrong, but yeah, that was just my video showing my new leopard gecko. And yeah, that's the last video that I was showing my new leopard gecko. I've decided to name him Gizmo, and yeah, he's doing really good. He's in the corner, sleeping, if you can see him. He's an Eclipse leopard gecko, so yeah, I got him for $34 at my neighborhood store. Leopard gecko. This is what he came in a bag, and this is his 10 gal. And yeah, that's just what I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, you can watch the last video, but it's okay. This is just a remake of it. Come on, wake up, wake up. Trying to get him, but he's a speedy little buddy. Okay, I guess he doesn't want to be picked up, but there he is. And yeah, he's still in that corner. He likes to be in that corner, so yeah.